We are finding that the gut microbiome is wired into many aspects of human health. It influences our immune system. It's also wired into our metabolism, so how quickly we burn calories or how many calories that we consume are stored. And we're also finding that gut bacteria can influence our central nervous system. Things like moods and behavior can be impacted by the bacteria that live inside our gut.
I'm Justin Sonnenburg, a professor of microbiology and immunology.
And I'm Erica Sonnenburg, a senior research scientist in microbiology and immunology.
And this is why our research matters. So we study this complex community of microbes that consists of trillions of cells, thousands of species. They live in our distal digestive tract. And one of the great challenges is how can you study a community that's so complex and changes from day to day based on what you eat or other aspects of your lifestyle.
One of the ways that we study the gut microbiome is through human dietary intervention trials, where we put people on different diets and see how these diets impact their microbiome and also other parameters of their health, like their immune system.
One of the exciting things that we found is if you eat a diet rich in fermented foods like kefir and yogurt and kombucha and sauerkraut, this actually increases your microbiome diversity, creating a healthier gut microbiome.
Part of our research is trying to understand ways that we can improve people's microbiome through either dietary interventions, introduction of bacteria back into the microbiome to make a more diverse community. And we think that these types of interventions will be important in lowering chronic inflammation, which is so common in Western individuals and results in many of the non-communicable chronic diseases that are so common now.
Although we've known for a long time that we have a complex bacterial community living in our gut, it's only recently that we've really understood how important this community is to our health. And it's almost like we've discovered an entirely new organ in our body, a microbial organ. And long-term funding is really important to progress basic knowledge so that we understand how this organ functions, how it impacts our health, and how we can use it to live longer, healthier lives.